National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a tornado 38 miles southwest of Cave Spring, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cedartown, Rome, and Shannon. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This storm is capable of producing strong to violent tornadoes. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and destructive straight-line wind.